This video introduces the addition and application of test patterns. When using the software for projection fusion, test patterns are used for warping and blending. The software supports adding test patterns in the media window. The test pattern window contains four functional areas: template library, element list, editing area, and properties area. Double-click the checkerboard element to add the element to the editing area, and it also supports dragging the element to the editing area. The list shows all the elements added to the editing area, supports locking and hiding of elements, and can adjust the order of elements by dragging up and down. The order in the list indicates the level of the elements in the editing area, and the level above the list is high. For redundant elements, the keyboard delete key is supported for deletion. The editing area supports zoom by the scroll wheel. The move button supports dragging all elements together. Clicking the Fit in View button to show the best viewport, and the part of the element beyond the editing area is not displayed. Adsorption alignment is supported between elements. When dragging a component, you can see that the position information in the properties area is changing. You can place the mouse in the input box of the XY coordinates. When you see the mouse become an arrow style at both ends, press and hold the left mouse button to reduce the value to the left or increase the value to the right to adjust the position. You can also manually enter the value to adjust the position of the coordinates. Similarly, the size and rotation angle also support these two methods of adjustment like the position properties. In addition to the basic properties, each component also supports other style properties to be adjusted. For example, the checkerboard element supports the adjustment of color properties. Here, we will not introduce each one individually. If you want to continue to use the content in the current editing area later, you can save it as a template. When you need to use the template, double-click the target template to apply it to the editing area. It also supports exporting the template and importing it to other media servers for use. Similarly, you can also import test pattern templates made by other media servers. Apply the test pattern template you just made. Close the test pattern window, and you can view the effect of the added test pattern.